Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 0.73 pound duster, blower, and a vacuum. It actually comes with a lot of separate pieces in here, but I've gone ahead and just put on the directional nozzle on the blow setting and going to show you how this is going to blow, and then we'll show you how it sucks. This is the power button here, and you actually have a charging cable on the back. They do provide you with the USB-C. It plugs into the back of there, and it actually has charging indicator lights that show when it's charged. That's really neat that they included that on the bottom. But the rest of this is just all business. So we're going to turn this on. It's going to come on low, and I mean that already is blowing quite a bit. You can see right there. It's also relatively quiet, which is really nice. Now you do have a medium, even a high setting, and I mean that's really starting to blow some of that out of there. It's going to blow the Kleenex right out of there, which is kind of cool. You've also got different attachments to attach on the end. If you're going to be cleaning out keyboards and things like that, you can easily go along and do that. That's really neat. In fact, if you actually wanted to use this to inflate some things like pool gear, because it is the season, you can simply untwist this and insert this other end in the end, and you can actually use that tapered nozzle to blow up a lot of outdoor pool equipment, which is nice. Now, if you're going to be doing some vacuuming, this would make a great addition to your car because you can simply twist off the other end and insert this piece here. This is your vacuum with the washable filter as well in there, which I like that they include that. And now you've got a vacuum because it'll suck through this end, and you can then even attach in other ends, allowing you to get into those crevices. So we'll go ahead and get that turned on here. That's got a lot of suction with that. So now you can see it's just going to suck that little bits. Not going to suck my Kleenex all the way up in there, but it sucks it back up in there so that you've got that, and that'll get down to the crevices, and then of course you got vents and so forth in your car. You just simply slide that forward and you can use the brush to get that off as well. So this has got a lot of really neat versatility. Loving the fact that it's chargeable, and you've got this filter that you can simply pull out and wash in there, which is nice. So a lot of great features with this. If you come in close, one last thing I'll show you. These are all the different versatile ways that you can actually attach all of these different ends for either sucking or blowing. This is a 110,000 RPM, which creates over 14,500 PA worth of suction. This could do a great job for anyone's home, office, or car.